Okay, my lovely people. Fry nice. Golden. Golden chicken. In the kitchen style, nice. Fry some more, brown some more again. Chicken, well brown, nice. Now we're gonna cut some vegetable, saute some vegetable, mix with the chicken and the noodle. We have some carrot, zucchini, some eggplant, bell pepper, some red onions, some white onions. We have some green beans, like we said, spinach, and some mushroom. So now I'm gonna saute some vegetable. I will start with some carrots, nice and thin. Put it in my pan. Pick some bell pepper. Some red onions. Some yellow pepper. Take my zucchini with a nice shape, slant shape. Eggplant. Some mushroom. Put in my pan. So now we have the veggie saute, all nice and pretty veggie. We're gonna make a little stir fry, and then we're gonna combine the noodles and the chicken together and make a nice stir fry in the kitchen style. So now I'm just gonna make my noodles steam for a little bit, not too long, not to get too soft. So I'm gonna put the noodle in some hot water over here. So the noodle could steam a little bit. And then I have my veggie here. I'm gonna stir fry a little bit. Lots of veggie in the kitchen style. So as you see, my veggie is on the fire, steaming nice. Gonna steam it just for about 10 minutes, just to quail it. And then my noodle is over here. You can see steaming a little bit. And then I'm gonna combine with my chicken and get back to you. Like, subscribe, touch the notification bell. Look for my veggie, nice and ready, steaming up. So now I'm gonna combine my chicken with my stir-fry veggie. So I have my chicken here. I'm gonna put a little in my stir-fry, put it in my fry noodles, steam up a bit in the kitchen style. Nice veggie stir-fry. And as you can see, I have my noodle here, nice and ready. So I'm gonna put my noodle in the pan with a little veggie. I'm gonna pour a little veggie in the pan in the kitchen style. So I have my noodle here. I'm gonna mix the noodle in. A little veggie under the bottom and the noodle in the middle. And you're gonna get a perfect stir fry. I'm gonna spread my veggie now on top of the noodles. So we have veggie on the bottom, chicken stir fry. Now I'm gonna put my spinach. Wanna see the final touch? Nice stir fry. Now we're gonna put them in the oven 20 minutes or half an hour in the kitchen style. We're gonna take it out and show you when it's ready, nice and Yes, my beautiful people, as you can see, now I'm removing the file paper because I'm ready to heat. See my stir fry? Let me give you a little close-up view. It's kind of hot, but let me give you a little close-up view. In the kitchen style, stir fry. Check me out. YouTube style. Like and subscribe. Yeah, ready to eat now.